During a conference, Warren Buffett was asked, "Why have you instructed your wife to invest in index funds instead of Berkshire Hathaway after your passing?" I suppose that Munger advised his children to quote, "Don't be so stupid as to sell." Warren Buffett responded, "She will not sell any Berkshire shares in order to purchase index funds. Each and every one of my Berkshire shares will be donated to charities. I don't really consider myself to be the owner of Berkshire. You know, it's committed, and around 40% has been supplied thus far. Therefore, the question is whether or not a non-investment professional will be appropriately elderly by the time the estate is settled. And what's the best investment? Meaning one in which there will be less stress of any type and fewer people asking, 'Why don't you sell this and try something else?' and other such questions. She will have more money than she wants. The most important thing then is that money is not an issue, and if she holds the S&P 500, she will have all the money she needs. She will keep a little amount of liquid funds so that if the stock market is closed for a period of time, or if the stock market suffers a significant decline, she will still feel she has plenty of money. And the goal is not maximization. It makes no difference if the amount she receives doubles, triples, or anything else of the type. It is crucial that she never worries about money again for the rest of her life. And I had an Aunt Katie in Omaha whom Charlie knew very well and who worked for the same employer as I did. She worked arduously her entire life and had spent her entire life at 45th and Hickory in a home for which she paid, I believe, $8,000. And since she was in Berkshire, she ended up with a few $100 million. She lived to be 97. Additionally, she would send me a letter every 4 or 5 months. And she said, "Dear Warren, I'm sorry to trouble you. However, will I run out of money?" Dear Katie, that's a great question, because if you live 986 years, you'll run out of money. Approximately 4 or 5 months later, she would send me the same letter. And I have seen that if you have a great deal of money, it should never be a detriment to your life. And if you have a lot of money, people will offer you numerous advice, sometimes well-intentioned and sometimes not so well-intentioned. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. They would remark, "Well, if Warren were living now, he would be advising you to do this if you had anything as definite to provide. It was all in Berkshire." I simply do not want anyone to experience it. And the S&P 500 will be I believe what I'm actually advocating is that a very high percentage of individuals should engage in such behavior. And I believe there is a possibility that they will not have as much peace of mind if they only hold one stock. And they have neighbors, acquaintances, and family members who are attempting to accomplish something different, sometimes with good intentions and sometimes not. Consequently, I believe this is a policy that will have positive results and is likely to endure. As Becky stated, the Mungers are distinct. I too wish to grasp the Berkshire. However, I fully comprehend the reasoning behind the fact that the S&P 500 algorithm is extremely difficult to beat. A broad portfolio of large companies, if you will. It is nearly difficult for the majority of individuals. But I just feel more at ease in the Berkshire. Indeed, it is a family company. But I've observed too many individuals, especially as they age, being vulnerable and forced to listen to the arguments of others who come after them. You may have a decent method if you're going to safeguard your heirs from the folly of others. However, I am not very interested in this topic. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more and be more financially literate? Click on the next videos we have in our channel, showing on the screen right now.